Jennifer Tapiero. This is Sparkz. Right now, I'm about to give you guys my real honest review on a product called Relaxlands. It's a 50 milligram CBD vegan cruelty-free facial serum. Let's try it out. Relaxlands, the people over there are super sweet. They sent me over facial serum, perfect timing because my skin is feeling super dry, and I just actually ran out of a facial serum that I have been using. So I'm super excited to try this out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try this product for a week, and I'm going to give you a really, really honest and genuine review. I'll let you know if I like it. I'm a CBD and beauty junkie, so let's give it a try for a week, and I'll let you know how I like it, okay? So as you guys know, I'm huge into CBD and beauty products, and I wanted to give you guys a real genuine review right here at Sparkz. I've been trying Relaxlands facial serum for about a week, and I can totally see a difference in my skin. Of course, the cold, climate and the weather here in New York City, my skin was starting to feel a lot more dry. Currently, I use like a CBD serum and moisturizer and oil, but this time for my beauty routine, I just cleansed and then I was just using the facial serum. I totally had a beautiful glow, as I like to call it, the J-Lo glow. My skin felt really, really, really happy afterwards, just really moisturized, hydrated. I can see the fine lines and wrinkles underneath my eyes looking smoother. And of course, we're dealing with ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, aloe, and things that are really natural and good for your skin. So when you apply it to your skin, immediately your skin's really happy because it gets into your skin almost immediately. And I could definitely feel the difference. Of course, CBD helps with promoting circulation on a cellular level, helps with diminishing fine lines and wrinkles, and it's really great for people that suffer with acne or rosacea or sensitive skin. I really love that it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, the packaging is beautiful, it smells good, and I really, really like this product. I'm going to continue to use it. It's beautiful. I think a lot goes a long way because we're dealing with like just a fluid ounce here, but it's a really great product. I think it's like spa in a bottle. It's like a spa in a bottle. Just amazing. I love it. Of course, I've never seen a product that has like organic sugar cane extract in it or organic sugar maple extract. So I thought that was really unique. I also really love the fact that there's meadow foam seed oil. That's really good for your skin. And of course, I'm obsessed with anything hyaluronic acid. So I definitely love this product. I'm going to continue to use it. And I got that glow going. So go check it out. It's called Relaxlands. Go find them on Instagram. Go check their website out, relaxlands.com. And of course, I'm giving it a Sparkz. Okay, we like it.